Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll talk about built-in types available in C#. There are many types of built-in type in C#, and the first data type we are going to talk about is Boolean data type. For example, in our application, we want to store a value of true or false. Then we use Boolean data type. To create a Boolean data type, we use bool keyword. And a variable that holds its value and a boolean value, for example true. And for print this, console.writeLine and the variable. Okay, and run this program. It shows the boolean value true. So this boolean data type holds only true or false. If you try to assign any other value to this variable, then you will get a compiler error. For example, a compiler error, because you are trying to assign an integer value to this boolean data type. The second data type is integral data type. There are many integral data types in C# and all data types are capable of holding some numbers. Example of integral data types are byte, short, int, long, char, etc. For using integral data type, int I 1 2 3 console.writeLine and the variable I, and run this program. It shows the correct value, the integer value. And again friends, if you try to assign any other value to this variable, then you'll get a compiler error. This is a floating value and you are assigned it to integer data type. It's absolutely wrong and you will get an error. Okay friends, the third data type is floating data type. For example, float and double. Float is capable of holding 7 digits and double is capable of holding 15 to 16 digits. Example of floating data type: double equal to 123.45. Print this, console.writeLine D. When I run this, the floating point value is here on the screen. The fourth data type is decimal data type. Now, decimal data type is much bigger precision. The decimal data type is capable of holding 28 to 29 significant digits. And the last data type is string data type. String S and within double quotes. When I run this, the string value. Okay friends, that's all for now. Thank you.